Hubstaff Talent Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Hubstaff Talent, a free and straightforward platform connecting businesses with remote freelancers and agencies. For more details or to explore the platform, check the links in the description below. Hubstaff Talent stands out by offering a completely free directory where businesses can find skilled freelancers and agencies across various fields, including development, design, marketing, and virtual assistants. Unlike other platforms, Hubstaff Talent doesn't charge fees for job postings or commissions on hires, making it cost-effective for both clients and freelancers. The platform is designed for businesses of all sizes, from startups to established companies looking for remote talent without added hiring costs. Freelancers benefit from global exposure and direct access to potential clients, enabling them to secure work without intermediary fees, cutting into their earnings. One of Hubstaff Talent's key features is its detailed profiles for freelancers and agencies. These profiles include skills, hourly rates, availability, and past work, giving businesses all the information needed to make informed hiring decisions. Clients can search for talent using filters like skill set, location, or hourly rate, making the process efficient and tailored. For freelancers, creating a profile is simple and free, and they can showcase their skills, portfolio, and availability. Because the platform is purely a directory, it encourages direct communication between freelancers and clients. This approach eliminates middlemen, allowing for faster negotiations and more personalized work arrangements. Hubstaff Talent also integrates seamlessly with Hubstaff's time tracking software, making it ideal for remote teams who need transparency in project management and billing. Clients can monitor work progress, track hours, and manage payments all in one system if they choose to use the Hubstaff ecosystem. Overall, Hubstaff Talent is an excellent platform for those seeking a cost-effective way to connect with remote freelancers and agencies. It's free, user-friendly, and designed to streamline the hiring process while supporting fair, direct communication between clients and freelancers. Check the links in the description to explore Hubstaff Talent and see if it's the right fit for your needs.